Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, it's December, so of course we're gonna do a Christmas dance. Today we're gonna cover Walking in the Winter Wonderland. Here comes Santa Claus dance. And a big thanks to Lainey for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who she is, go check out her stuff. I'll post her name somewhere here. And thank you for requesting this dance. Alright, so this dance is easy, so I'm just gonna break it into two parts, and then at the end we're gonna do a full dance run through, and then we're gonna practice. Alright, let's go. Alright, let me quickly show you what we're about to learn in the first part. Alright, so it goes walking and na 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 and da. And here comes na na na. Here comes na 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 and ba ba and a down. Now there are small things here and there that people do differently, so I'm gonna show you the different versions as well. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so the first part is super easy. It's basically just walking. Yeah, walking in the. Literally says walking, right? So you're walking here, so walking, and here just stand still, and then you can either go like that, so you jump like that, you put your arms down like that, yeah, and you maybe lean a bit forward, yes, and then you can go either shake, 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 or you can just go shake, 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 shake. Up to you. Okay, so let's just try that. I'm just gonna do one of the versions. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go walking in na 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 na. And here come na na na. Yeah. So one thing you probably notice is that I jumped twice. It's because normally you do it with someone else. So if you have a friend, you can do it with your friend. So, one of you can jump on the first one, the other one jumps on the second one. Yeah. So the timing goes walking in the winter wonder, ba ba ba, and then here, and then the next one goes comes, and then both of you goes Santa Claus. All right. So. Walking and da 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 da, and here comes na na na. Alright, moving on. So, right after this part, whatever you do here, you want to move to the left and then you want to move to the right. Yeah? So you're taking a step with your left to the left, and then right gathers, and then right again to the right, left, here. Alright, so you're just going boom and boom and. Pretty easy, right? Now the arms, the upper body, you can do whatever you want. Now the easy version is just to whoa, whoa, yeah, you can do that. Or you can go with your arms, you say swing and swing and. Alright? Now the one that I like the most is this one. Hey, 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 hey. So we'll just quickly explain that. What you want to do is take your right arm, you want to go swing around, and then the left one goes up and goes pull. Alright, and then it goes up again, around, and right comes up. Bang! Yeah? So let me just rewind with the arms here. Right, around, left, pull, left, around, right, pull. Yeah, so it's boom, A, and boom, A. So together it's gonna be like this. After this part, you wanna go right, boom, A, boom, A. Alright, so boom, A, boom, A. From here, you want to do a small ball chain. So let me just show you from the side. What I do is I go left back, right front. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wah wah. At the same time, I also want to do A. Yeah, so I just want to go roll the dice. All right. So right after boom ha, I go roll the dice. Okay, and then after that, the last bit is just. Here you can do whatever. I see that some people just do clap. You can do that, or you can do way if you have a hat or something like that. And then you can go down. Yeah, so basically what I do is just bring my knees out and I go down. All right, and then I slide my arms here. You can do that, or you can do whatever pose you want. All right, so let's just rewind here, which is the womb, A, and I'll roll the dice, clap, whatever, go down. Now, the timing for this part is right at this. It goes, here comes Santa Claus, down. It doesn't actually say clap, yeah. But the melody is right, yeah. So right after the womb, I'm just gonna show you again. Here comes na 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 clap and down. So let's just try and practice with me. I'm gonna go clap 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start from here by going here comes. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go here comes na 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 and down. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go here comes na 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 clap and down. All right, now let's try and practice from the tip to the top so we can feel this part as well. Walking in the winter, 1 na 6, 7, 8. Here come na na na. And then this part, na 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 da da da, clap and down. Okay, let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Walking na 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 na. 6, 7, 8. We go. Here comes na na na. Here comes na 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 and da da and down. Okay, guys, one last time, a bit faster, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Walking na 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 na. 6, 7, 8. We go. Here come da da da. Here come da 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 and na da and na down. All right, moving on to part 2. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So right after you go down here, there's a pose, there's a dolphin, and then whoop, 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 whoop. Ha. Now let me break it down for you. So you're down here, you just want to jump up, you and your friend if you have any. You go whoop, and then the other one goes whoop, pose, whatever. From here, you just do 4 times dolphin. What is the dolphin? It's this one, all right? Now, if you don't know how to do the dolphin, I have a detailed tutorial, step by step. I'll leave the link in the description, all right? But basically, you just do bend, hip to the front, and then shoot it back. And at the same time, you also jump down. Here, jump, jump. Put your arms up, all right? So 4 times dolphin, and then right after that, what you want to do, you hold your hands like this, and then you want to go shuffle. Yeah, so you go here to your left, bring it up, you go back, down. Now, as soon as you're here, you go around, stop. All right, so from here, you go whoop, up, back, down, and around here. The other one just, does it with the upper body here. So you want to isolate, you want to go chest to the side, you want to go to the front, you want to go to the right, back down, and then all the way around. All right? So remember, you're pushing your chest here to your left, pushing it up to the frontish, and then you want to go to the right side, still keeping it up to the front, and then you want to go collapse, and then you go this around motion. Now this chest thing looks harder than it is. Basically what you're doing is just, I'm just showing from the side, you want to collapse like this, yeah, so push your chest back down here, and then you want to push it up, yeah, so you basically just need to be able to do this, yeah. You can also use your shoulders to exaggerate the effect, right? So push my shoulders back and my chest is here to the front, and then opposite, move, yeah. And then you just want to combine this with moving your upper body from side to side. Yeah, so when I'm down, my chest is down here, sucked in here, and then I want to push it up. And notice I'm also a bit leaning to my left here. and then I want to lean to my right, still keep it out here, and then I want to go down, then I stay here and lean to my right, and then you can keep repeating this. Now you don't have to exaggerate, right? You can do a small one, that also looks good. All right? Okay, so that was the end of the dance, so let's just recap part 2 here, and then practice. All right, so right after you're down here, you want to go pose, the other one goes pose, then you want to do 4 times pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you want to do the shuffle thing, whoop, 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 around and here. The other one goes whoop, 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 round here. Now, as for the timing, you down here, you go did and I did and did, pulling na na na. Got. All right, time to practice. Starting from here, you want to start with pose. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go pose and a pose and a ba 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 ba. Pulling the na na rain. Count. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go da 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 da. Pulling the na na rain. Count. Alright guys, time to do the whole thing from the tip to the top. Let me just do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. So from the tip to the top we go walking in the na 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 na. 6, 7, 8. We go da da. Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, da na 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 clap and down. Pose, pose, stop. Dolphin, 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 pulling na 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 rain. Cat. All right, time to practice. Okay, we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go walking in the na 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 na. 6, 7, 8. We go. Here comes mama. Here comes mama and a mama clap. And down, and pose, and da, 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 and pulling na 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 rain. Cat. All right, let's try it a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go walking na 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 na. 6, 7, 8. Here comes ba da da. Here comes ba da da, and a ma clap. And down, and ba, and ba, and ba, 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 ba. Pulling na 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 na. Whoa. Hey, alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, alright? So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do that. Walking in with a Winter Wonderland. Here comes Santa Claus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.